In the construction of composite steel bridges, shear studs are used to connect the concrete bridge deck to the steel girders. A large number of these shear studs are needed to meet AASHTO strength and fatigue requirements. Researchers at the Center for Transportation Research at the University of Texas at Austin have explored the use of larger diameter shear studs, which can speed up the construction process and improve worker safety.
This project is really looking at the feasibility of using larger diameter shear studs. And with that, a lot of things happen. When you can use the larger diameter shear studs, there's less shear studs, so it improves worker safety. It can expedite the girder fabrication process. And then it facilitates the use of our partial depth precast deck panels, which we call PCPs. The use of PCPs for deck construction act as the formwork for the bridge deck. They speed up construction and they serve as a safe working platform for the workers.
We had quite an extensive laboratory program. It was a long project, nearly 4 years, and a lot of work in the laboratory. Much of that was learning how to weld these larger diameter shear studs. They have to be welded to the top of a steel girder in the construction process. And there we had a lot of help from industry. So we had a very collaborative project working closely together, a research team working with TxDOT engineers and with industry. Our work was done at the University of Texas Ferguson Structural Engineering Laboratory, which is at the University of Texas Pickle Research Campus in Northwest Austin, where we're testing bridge components generally to failure, either under fatigue loading or ultimate strength type loading.
Push-out tests on studs at Ferguson Laboratory were conducted to evaluate the static and fatigue performance of the 1 1/8 inch diameter studs. The results of those static push-out tests showed excellent performance.
We also constructed 2 bridge girders in the laboratory that were quite large. Each one was 100 foot long, where we could essentially do a proof of concept to show that these larger diameter shear studs will in fact work successfully in an actual bridge girder.
So this project is definitely ready to implement. The project included design recommendations. Therefore, future steel bridges can be designed with larger diameter shear studs. This research will serve a national purpose as well, because what bridge engineers use to design bridges was missing ways to design these larger diameter shear studs. And so this project will fill a hole that bridge engineers can use all over the U.S., not just Texas.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.